Pero may mga bagay kasi na hindi dahil atat tayo at kaya gusto nating ayusin ay dapat nang maayos ngayon. Minsan, the best answer is in the process of waiting. Yung katulad na sinasabi ko kanina, yung space hindi natin dapat katakutan yan. Sabi mo nga, ginawa mo na lahat ng efforts, but maybe this time, yung effort of waiting is something that you should do. Giving space because she needs it and you need it too. Maybe atat ka na ayusin yun, pero may mga bagay kasi na hindi dahil atat tayo at kaya gusto nating ayusin ay dapat nang maayos ngayon. So maybe kailangan lang natin lagyan ng space, bigyan ng space, and I understand that space. Hindi madali yun. So magkaroon kayo ng space ng 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, and even a year. For me, that's okay. And then, darating ang time marirealize ninyo yung kahalagahan ninyo sa isa't isa. And if after that space ay hindi pa rin siya nakipagbalikan sa'yo, and after that space ay hindi mo na talaga siya mahal, then mapapatunayan ninyo na yung pagmamahalan pala ninyo na akala ninyo'y totoong-totoo at malalim for several years ay hindi naman pala talaga totoo.